No take out the night. Let's cook. Starts now. Banana pudding. You know what it is. This Chef Nick. Let's get it.
Hey.
Money D in the background. Set up your workstation with all your ingredients.
I'm the reason why.
Start with your wafer cookies.
Don't you be surprised. Hey.
Add a heavy layer of banana pudding on top of the wafer cookies. Spread it out. Now add your bananas. To avoid your bananas turning brown, bury them inside the banana pudding. Subscribe. This banana pudding will have your family going crazy. One layer of your chestnut cookies.
Don't you be surprised.
Hey fam, hope you're enjoying this video so far. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Add a layer of banana pudding on top of the cookies. Flatten it out, even it out. Now let's go. Banana pudding got some ingredients in it that I just can't tell y'all about. It's a secret, y'all. Let us know in the comments how you make your banana pudding. Coming soon. Add the bananas.
I hate when you cry cause I can't fix it.
Use the best ingredients to make your banana pudding. Soul food at its best. Y'all know what it is. Bury your bananas inside the pudding to avoid them turning brown. Need 2 pans for my family and friends. They about to go in. Let's finish it. Add a layer of vanilla wafers to the outside, leaving the middle empty. This the old school part. You gotta have the vanilla wafers.
Last thing I wanna see is her cry. I see pain when I look in her eyes. Hard to say.
New school, new school. Add them chestnut cookies to the center of it. Fill it in. Yeah, looking good. Time to almost eat. Let that bad boy chill out for a couple hours. Get ready to serve it up to your family. Banana pudding, breathtaking soul. This no cookout tonight. Let's cook. Desserts, classic soul. You know what it is. Subscribe. Check us out. Breathtaking soul. Remember, they don't cook with love like we do. Banana pudding. Let's go. Pack it up. Ship it out. Store it. You know what it is. Subscribe. Y'all know what it is. Chef Nick. Breathtaking soul. Catering coming soon. We gonna be in there. We got y'all coming soon. We working on relaunch coming soon. Catering, breathtaking soul. They don't cook with love like we do. Online ordering coming soon. DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, all that coming soon. Y'all know what it is. Check us out. Thanks for watching. No take out the night. Let's cook. Breathtaking soul. They don't cook with love like we do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click that button. Click it. You know what it is.